Alright, this is my Factory IO Sim 3. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Alright, hit the start button. Alarm goes off. Boxes go down the line. Stuff happens. Things move. Boxes count. I'm actually surprised he got that one. That was a close one there. Yep. All very nice. You hit stop. It stops. You hit start. Alarm goes off again. And yeah, seems pretty nice. Was there something else? No, I think that's it. You'll notice that a box has fallen between the cracks, but I think that's a problem everyone's having. So the pallet comes down and the pallet gets picked up, but when this conveyor stops and the pallet gets picked up, the box stays. And then it's like teeter-tottering, and if it's this box, all the other ones are fine. If it's this particular box, it'll fall between the cracks, but I'm sure you've probably run into that problem yourself, so I'm not too worried about it. Oh, if we're still doing the 90%, if you use the solution, I did not. This is my own thing. I haven't looked at the solution yet, but anyway, you got kind of a mess. How does this work? All right, hit the start button. That sets this timer. Goes for 3 seconds. While the timer's running, we get a warning light, alarm siren. And then when the timer stops, that actually starts the process. You can see I got a nice little and function right here, not there. And sorry. Okay. The timer stops, it starts the real process. And off of here, we got two and functions, all right? And what this and circuit kind of does is that it'll load the boxes on, and it stops when the boxes, it lets that boxes on the first conveyor pass. Wow, that is a really bad explanation. Um, yeah. Okay. This one. All right, let me try that again. So this AND function is your main conveyor. It's the exit conveyor, the first conveyor, and the load one, which just keeps all the boxes going on the first path. Now, when in a box arrives at the second path, which would be, yeah, when in a box arrives at the second path, it allows the first box to pass, which is why we have this and for, we just make sure this function isn't running. And then once that function is done running, it allows this function to run, which stops this one from running. All right. And then once this is done, that resets this, and that allows it to run. That's what this at transfer reset. That's when the box is at that. I just show you on the thing. That's when the box is here. So it comes down, gets to here. Everything else stops once there's no boxes in this general area. And then this box goes down, and that AND statement stops once it reaches that sensor right there. And then this original, basic run command keeps going, clears boxes. Anyway, it works, so that's nice. Yep, this one was a little tricky, I'd say. Thanks.